Bench dips are some of the most effective bodyweight triceps exercises for building upper body strength. Bench tricep dips are easy to perform. You can do this exercise anywhere that have a bench or chair, but they are some of the most potent exercises that can help you build your tricep in your home gym. They can also help improve the mobility and flexibility of your elbows. Bar dips are some of the bodyweight triceps exercise that can target all of your push muscles. You should feel your triceps and chest being activated and targeted. If not, you may be doing the exercise wrongly or with improper form. Diamond push-ups are good bodyweight tricep exercise for building your upper body muscles. They can also help strengthen your chest muscles. Many bodyweight tricep exercise can also help build your chest and your shoulders. The reason is these muscles are all focused pushing muscles. The inclined diamond push-ups is another set of bodyweight triceps exercise that can help you build strength and bulk in your triceps. The exercise work well for those who struggle to do the basic push-ups exercises. You also have less body weight to lift when you are in the inclined position. The bodyweight triceps extension exercise, akka, bodyweight skull crusher are some of the best bodyweight triceps exercise that can target your triceps muscles to help you build arms. They can also work the long head triceps and the lateral head triceps. Exercise ball push-ups are also one of the best bodyweight triceps exercises that give results. The exercise involves resting your hands on an exercise or medicine ball instead of on the floor when doing push-ups.